So we know that function f is differentiable, and as the derivative of f equals some function g of x. We don't know exactly what f of x and g of x are, so our answers will have f of x and g of x in them. We need to compute the derivatives of these three given functions. So let's start with part A. Part A, I'll just copy paste the given function. So here's the derivative of x plus f of x to the 29th power with respect to x equals. So we will use the chain rule here. So it equals the derivative of it will equal the derivative of x plus f of x to the 29th power with respect to x plus f of x multiplied by the derivative of x plus f of x with respect to x. This equals 29 times x plus f of x to the 28th power multiplied by the sum of derivatives of x with respect to x and as a derivative of f of x with respect to x. And this equals 29 times x plus f of x to the 28th power times 1 plus, so we know that the derivative of f of x with respect to x is g of x, so it's plus g of x here. So this is our final answer in part A. Now let's do part B. So part B, let me copy paste function B. So the derivative of ln of x squared times f of x with respect to x equals the derivative of ln of x squared times f of x with respect to x squared times f of x multiplied by the derivative of x squared times f of x with respect to x. So again, we have used the chain rule here. Let's simplify it now. So this equals 1 over x squared times f of x multiplied by, here we will use the product rule for derivatives, and we get the derivative of x squared with respect to x plus the derivative of f of x with respect to x, and this equals 1 over x squared times f of x multiplied by 2x plus g of x. So this equals 2x plus g of x over x squared multiplied by f of x. And this is our final answer in part B. Well, now let's do part C. Again, I'll copy paste it. So part C. So the derivative of e to the power of sine of f of x with respect to x equals, again we are using the chain rule, so it equals the derivative of sine, the derivative of e to the power of sine of f of x with respect to sine of f of x multiplied by the derivative of sine of f of x Sine of f of x with respect to f of x multiplied by, wait, let me move this a little bit to the left. So, and this whole thing is multiplied by the derivative of f of x with respect to x. Let's simplify it. So here we get e to the power of sine of f of x multiplied by cosine of f of x multiplied by g of x. So this equals g of x, no, it equals e to the power of sine of f of x times g of x times cosine of f of x. So this is the answer in part C.